Bollywood YouTuber Prajakta Kohli, mostly sane, just got married to her long-term partner Vrishank, and guys, the photos are so beautiful that I just went ahead and did a little research on the venue where they just got married. So the venue is Oleander Farms Resort in Karjat. It's a 2-hour drive from Mumbai, and guys, in case you are planning your destination wedding in and around Mumbai, then here is all you need to know about this venue. The location of the property is also so cool. It is a lakeside property which is surrounded by hills and lush greenery. Now they have a wide variety of venues within their property that you can choose from for your wedding events. The first one is Oleander Farms Garden, which is ideal for big weddings, and it has a seating capacity of 1200 people. The second one is the Hilltop, which looks great for intimate weddings. They have a seating capacity of 400 to 450 people, and I kind of like this because it's like that dreamy under the tree kind of a wedding, which is I think great. They also have a banquet hall with a seating capacity of 450 people, which is I think great for your indoor receptions. They also have a lawn side space and also a poolside area wherein you can have your functions, and also guys, a micro brewery in case you're planning your cocktail functions. Also additionally, there are a lot of smaller spaced halls in case you're planning your intimate functions like haldi, mehndi or engagement there. So guys, that was all about Oleander Farms in Karjat. You know what, in case you are planning for a destination wedding in and around Mumbai, then I have to tell you that there are a lot of other budget resort options also. So I have made a list of top 10 budget resorts for your destination wedding in and around Mumbai, and I can send over the document to you in case you want. Just comment below DESTMUM and I'm gonna send you the list of top 10 budget resorts for your destination wedding in and around Mumbai. In case you know someone who's gonna get married soon and who is looking out for venues for their destination wedding, please do forward this video to them. I'm sure it's gonna be super helpful. Bye bye.